Are you curious about Bitcoin's hidden superhighway called the Lightning Network and how it could change everyday payments? It's a second layer built on top of Bitcoin that lets you send tiny amounts quickly and cheaply without clogging the main network. Imagine a network of off-chain channels where friends can pay each other instantly, then settle later on the main chain. As more wallets and apps adopt it, questions about security, liquidity, and user experience shape how we picture digital money for everyday users. This video is not investment advice.